In this video, I will explain how the Auto Teach-In Cylinder Switch SDBT-MSX works and what its benefits are. The switching point on conventional cylinder switches is set by manually moving the switch in the cylinder's sensor slot. The LED indicates the middle of the sensing range. This installation method can be very time-consuming and tricky in spaces that are awkward or tight. The cylinder switch SDBT-MSX solves these problems thanks to its Auto Teach-In functionality. I'll show you how it works. First, I mount the switch roughly in the vicinity of the piston's end position. The detection marking on the switch indicates the range. When the cylinder is ready for operation, the switch is connected to the control system. The yellow and green LEDs indicate when the switch is ready for automatic setting. To set the switch point automatically, the cylinder is started 4 times. The sensor is set when the green LED is switched off. In this video, I have shown how the switching point of the SDBT-MSX switch is automatically taught in. If you'd like to know which other practical functions this switch offers, then why not watch my other videos about this switch?